How to enlarge your Android keyboard for easier and more comfortable typing. If your keyboard feels too small and you're constantly hitting the wrong letters, this quick adjustment can make a big difference. First, open any app where you can type, such as Messages or your browser, and bring up the keyboard. Now, tap the menu icon on the keyboard. From the available options, look for Resize and tap on it. You'll now see a resizing area around your keyboard. Simply drag the top edge upward to increase the keyboard height. This makes the keys larger and easier to press. Once you're happy with the size, tap Done and try typing a few words to make sure the new size feels comfortable. If you don't see the resize option, tap the gear icon to open your keyboard settings. Depending on your keyboard version, look for an option such as Preferences, Keyboard Height, or Size and Transparency. From there, increase the keyboard height and adjust it until you find the perfect size. And that's it. You've successfully enlarged your Android keyboard for easier and more accurate typing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.